Did you know that the AI market is projected to reach a staggering $1.8 trillion by 2030? This isn't just a number, it represents a seismic shift in our global economy, opening up unprecedented opportunities for individuals like you and me. The rapid growth of AI technology is not just a trend, it's a revolution that is reshaping industries and creating new avenues for income generation. This isn't just a number, it represents a seismic shift in our global economy, opening up unprecedented opportunities for individuals like you and me. Imagine a world where you can leverage cutting-edge technology to create a sustainable income stream, all from the comfort of your own home. This is the new reality that AI is making possible. Imagine harnessing the power of AI, not from a sterile office cubicle, but from the comfort of your own home. Picture yourself sipping coffee in your living room while your AI tools work tirelessly to analyze data, automate tasks, and even generate creative content. This is not a distant dream, it's happening right now, and you can be a part of it. That's right, AI is making it possible for anyone with an internet connection to tap into new income streams and achieve financial freedom. Whether you're looking to supplement your current income or completely transform your financial situation, AI offers tools and opportunities that were once unimaginable. Gone are the days when AI was the exclusive domain of tech giants and coding wizards. Today, the landscape has changed dramatically. With user-friendly interfaces and accessible platforms, AI technology is now within reach of everyday people, regardless of their technical background. Today, AI tools are more accessible than ever, empowering individuals with little to no technical expertise to leverage their power for profit. You don't need to be a computer scientist to understand and use these tools effectively. With a bit of curiosity and willingness to learn, you can unlock the potential of AI to create new income streams. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a recent graduate, or simply looking to supplement your income, AI offers a world of possibilities right at your fingertips. The flexibility and scalability of AI tools mean that you can tailor your approach to fit your unique lifestyle and goals. The question isn't whether AI will change the way we work, it's how quickly you'll adapt and capitalize on this transformative technology. The sooner you embrace AI, the faster you can start reaping its benefits. The learning curve may seem steep, but with the right resources and mindset, you can master these tools and use them to your advantage. The beauty of AI lies in its ability to automate tasks, analyze data, and generate creative content at a scale and speed previously unimaginable. This means you can focus on what you do best while letting AI handle the repetitive and time-consuming tasks. Imagine the efficiency and productivity you can achieve with AI as your assistant. This opens up a plethora of income-generating opportunities for those willing to embrace the AI revolution. From freelance services to content creation and even small business automation, the possibilities are endless. The key is to stay informed and continuously explore new ways to integrate AI into your work. From freelance services to content creation and even small business automation, AI is your secret weapon to unlocking financial success from the comfort of your own home. By leveraging AI, you can offer innovative services, streamline your operations, and ultimately increase your earning potential. In the following sections, we'll delve into the practical ways you can start earning money with AI in 2025, dispelling common myths and equipping you with the knowledge and inspiration to embark on your AI-powered income journey. We'll cover everything from the basics of AI tools to advanced strategies for maximizing your earnings. Get ready to discover how AI can become your financial ally, empowering you to take control of your earning potential and achieve your financial goals. The future of work is here, and with AI by your side, the possibilities are limitless. Let's embark on this exciting journey together and unlock the full potential of AI for your financial success. One of the biggest misconceptions surrounding AI is that it's only accessible to tech-savvy individuals with advanced coding skills and deep pockets. Many people believe that AI is a complex and expensive technology reserved for large corporations and elite programmers. This couldn't be further from the truth. In reality, AI is becoming more accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical background or financial status. The reality is that AI has become increasingly democratized, with a wide range of user-friendly tools and platforms designed specifically for beginners. These tools often come with intuitive interfaces and comprehensive tutorials that make it easy for anyone to get started. You don't need to be a data scientist or a software engineer to harness the power of AI. People from all walks of life, including students, artists, and small business owners, are now leveraging AI to enhance their work and creativity. Many AI tools operate on a simple drag-and-drop interface, making them incredibly easy to use, even for those with limited technical experience. These interfaces allow users to build complex AI models without writing a single line of code. Furthermore, the cost of entry for AI has significantly decreased, with many tools available for free or at an affordable price point. This means that even small businesses and individual entrepreneurs can now take advantage of AI without breaking the bank. Another common myth is that AI will replace human jobs, leading to widespread unemployment. This fear is often fueled by sensationalist media reports and dystopian narratives. While it's true that AI will automate certain tasks, it's also creating new opportunities and augmenting existing roles. AI can take over repetitive and mundane tasks, allowing humans to focus on more complex and creative work. Instead of fearing AI, we should embrace it as a tool that can enhance our capabilities and free us from mundane tasks, allowing us to focus on more creative and strategic endeavors. AI can be a powerful ally in brainstorming sessions, helping to generate new ideas and solutions. Think of AI as a powerful assistant that can handle repetitive tasks, analyze data, and generate ideas, freeing up your time and energy to focus on higher value activities. Whether it's sorting through large data sets or automating routine processes, AI can significantly boost your productivity. By embracing AI, you're not being replaced. You're becoming more efficient, productive, and ultimately more valuable in the marketplace. AI empowers you to achieve more in less time, making you a more competitive and innovative professional. The freelance economy is booming, and AI is fueling its growth. If you're looking to earn money from home, offering AI-powered freelance services is a fantastic way to leverage your existing skills and tap into a growing market. One popular option is AI-powered writing. Tools like GPT-3 can generate high-quality content for blogs, websites, social media, and more. You can offer your services as an AI content writer, crafting engaging and informative content that captivates audiences and drives traffic. Beyond writing, AI can also enhance your skills in other areas such as graphic design, video editing, and even customer service. Tools like Canva and Lumen 5 allow you to create stunning visuals and videos with ease, while AI-powered chatbots can handle customer inquiries with speed and accuracy. By incorporating AI into your freelance services, you can differentiate yourself from the competition, deliver exceptional results, and command higher rates for your work. Whether you're a writer, designer, or virtual assistant, AI can empower you to take your freelance career to the next level. Content is king in the digital age, and creating high-quality content consistently can be a daunting task. Fortunately, AI is making it easier than ever to create high-quality content at scale. Whether you're a blogger, YouTuber, or social media influencer, AI tools can revolutionize your workflow. AI can help you automate your content creation process, allowing you to produce more content in less time. Imagine having a virtual assistant that never sleeps, tirelessly working to generate content for you. This automation frees up your time and energy to focus on other aspects of your business, such as strategy, engagement, and growth. You can take a break knowing that your content creation is in good hands. AI writing tools can generate blog posts, articles, social media updates, and even video scripts in a matter of minutes. These tools are designed to understand your style and tone, ensuring that the content they produce aligns with your brand. Simply provide the tool with some basic information such as your target audience and desired keywords, and let the AI do the rest. It's like having a team of writers at your disposal, ready to create content on demand. You can then review, edit, and personalize the content to ensure it aligns with your brand voice and messaging. This allows you to maintain control over your content while benefiting from the efficiency of AI. Beyond writing, AI can also assist with other aspects of content creation, such as image generation, video editing, and even voiceover narration. Tools like DALL-E 2 and Synthesia can create realistic images and videos from text descriptions, adding a visual element to your content. AI-powered voiceover software can provide professional-sounding narration for your videos, making your content more engaging and polished. These tools are designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to create high-quality content without needing advanced technical skills. By embracing AI-powered content creation tools, you can consistently produce high-quality content that engages your audience, grows your following, and ultimately boosts your income. Let AI handle the heavy lifting while you focus on what you do best, connecting with your audience and building your brand. With AI, the possibilities are endless, and the future of content creation is here. Embrace the power of AI and watch your content creation process transform. From writing to editing, and from image generation to voiceover narration, AI is your ultimate content creation partner. With AI, you can achieve a level of efficiency and creativity that was previously unimaginable. So, why wait? Start leveraging AI tools today and take your content to the next level. The future of content creation is bright, and AI is leading the way. Join the revolution and let AI do the heavy lifting for you. By embracing AI-powered content creation tools, you can consistently produce high-quality content that engages your audience, grows your following, and ultimately boosts your income. Let AI handle the heavy lifting while you focus on what you do best, connecting with your audience and building your brand. The future of content creation is here, and it's powered by AI. Embrace it and watch your content soar to new heights. Let AI handle the heavy lifting while you focus on what you do best, connecting with your audience and building your brand.